here's a little tip on managing profile labels with grips. On my screen, you see we have these profile labels here. Now, historically, when we had to move these, we grip edit these. We, select them one by one and we move them. We might have this line down here that we have to then modify and move as well to get that to line up. And then we do the next one and the next one and the next one. And that's very painful and time consuming. Here, I'm going to show you that you can activate all these grips just simply selecting them, okay? And then turn their cold grips when they're kind of bluish here. They're hot. They're cold, I mean. But holding your shift key down, you click on them and you make them red, and they are now hot grips. And they're tied to each other now. Now I release my shift key, and then I'm going to click any one of them, and I can move straight up. I'm going to turn my ortho on, because you can see I'm moving freely. Turn ortho on, I can move my straight up, and there we go. Hit escape to release the grips. Now, of course, I left this gap here, so let me select these lines. Okay. And then I'm going to use my shift key to activate their grips. So it doesn't have to happen just with labels. These are just regular AutoCAD lines. I release my shift key, click one of the lines, and I'm going to go straight to the endpoint of the line right there. And I've moved all those grips incrementally at the same time. Now, with that said, it can happen for spanning labels as well, or sag labels, crest labels. Here, again, we spend our time. Let me go ahead and draw a line from this endpoint here, straight out to here, and then we go ahead and line these up so that they look pretty. We line up to that perpendicular there, and then we erase that line. Okay, that one we just can't get away from to get them all in line with each other. But if I have to move them all again incrementally, I can click each one, hold my shift key down, activate each grip, and then select either one and move up or down accordingly. So I want to get them up just to the top of the profile view and hit escape. So just a real quick and easy way to modify your labels and get them all aligned in one sweep. Hope this helps. Thank you.